How to contact Rabobank support via application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to contact Rabobank support via the application itself. So first thing first, just head over to your Rabobank application, and once you're inside here, just tap on this hamburger icon at the top left corner, and here you can see the option that is contact us. So now simply select it, which will redirect you to the browser page, and from over here you just have to simply scroll down and you can simply tap on this option regarding if you want to give a compliment about anything. You can just give a compliment to the contact team. You can also give an inquiry. If you have any inquiry, you can just fill out all of your details such as first name, last name, residential address, postcode, as well as Rabobank client ID, and you can just give any sort of inquiry about you. And similarly, if you have any complaint, you can just tap on this complaint and just enter what you would like to complain about, and simply enter all of the on-screen information over here. So once you fill all of that, you can easily provide them as well. And if you also have some financial hardship, you can just choose the option from over here and simply click on submit button after following all of these details over here, and this will get back to you on your email, register email. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.